Your brain is under attack every single day, scrolling, short videos, notifications, porn, video games, constant entertainment. And the scary part is, most people don't even realize their brain is slowly being rewired to avoid hard work. That's why so many teenagers today feel tired, distracted, lazy, and unmotivated even when they have big dreams. Their brain has become addicted to stimulation. But here's the good news, you can reverse it, and one of the fastest ways to do that is replacing mindless scrolling with hobbies that actually improve your life. Not hobbies that waste your future, but hobbies that build your body, your confidence, your money, your discipline, and your mind. So here are 15 hobbies that can rewire your brain and replace endless scrolling. Number 1, working out. Go to the gym, start calisthenics at home, run outside, because exercise does more than build muscles. It builds discipline, confidence, energy, mental strength. A strong body changes the way you carry yourself through life. Number 2, start creating content. Most people consume all day, very few people create. Start a YouTube channel, post videos, learn storytelling. Even if nobody watches at first, you are building confidence, communication skills, and creativity. And one day, that skill can change your life financially too. Number 3, learn a high income skill. Instead of spending 5 hours scrolling, spend 1 hour learning something valuable. Copywriting, video editing, content creation, graphic design, coding. Skills create freedom, and the earlier you learn them, the more powerful your future becomes. Number 4, reading. Books compress years of knowledge into a few hours. Reading sharpens your thinking, improves focus, and teaches you things school never will. Even 10 pages a day changes your mindset over time. Number 5, walking outside. Most people are constantly overstimulated. Sometimes your brain just needs silence, fresh air, sunlight, and peace. Go for walks without music sometimes. Think about your life, your goals, your future. You'd be surprised how much clarity comes from simply slowing down. Number 6, gratitude. This sounds simple, but it changes your mindset deeply. Every day, thank God for your life, your health, your family, your progress, your opportunities, and even the struggles shaping you. Because grateful people enjoy life more. And when you appreciate what you already have, your mind becomes calmer and more fulfilled. Number 7, learn communication skills. This is one of the most underrated skills in life. If you know how to speak clearly, communicate confidently, and lead conversations, people naturally respect you more. Communication creates opportunities. And in business, leadership, relationships, and life, people who communicate well become valuable. Number 8, start an online business. Not because money is everything, but because learning how money works changes the way you think forever. You learn responsibility, problem solving, patience, marketing, and even if your first business fails, the lessons will level you up mentally. Number 9, spend time with real people. Social media gives fake connection. Real conversations give real fulfillment. Spend time with family, laugh with friends, build memories. Because at the end of life, relationships matter more than algorithms. Number 10, journaling. Write your thoughts down, your goals, your struggles, your ideas. Journaling clears mental noise and helps you understand yourself better. Number 11, learn editing or design. These skills are extremely valuable today, and the best part, you can learn them online for free. Instead of consuming entertainment all day, become someone who creates things. Number 12, meditation and prayer. Your brain needs silence sometimes. Constant noise destroys clarity. Whether it's prayer, meditation, or quiet reflection, learn how to slow your mind down. Mental peace is powerful. Number 13, cooking healthy meals. Most teenagers destroy their energy with junk food. Learning how to cook healthier meals improves your health, discipline, and energy levels massively. Number 14, running or sports. Running teaches endurance. Sports teach teamwork, confidence, and competitiveness. And movement naturally boosts your mood and energy. Number 15, teaching what you know. One of the fastest ways to grow is teaching others. Share lessons, help friends, explain what you learn. Teaching improves confidence and deepens your understanding. Now listen carefully, you do not need to do all 15 hobbies. That's where people get overwhelmed. Choose 2 or 3, that's it. Start small but stay consistent. Because the goal is not becoming perfect overnight. The goal is replacing destructive habits with meaningful ones. And remember this, watching self-improvement videos alone will not change your life. Action changes your life. There are people who watch motivation every single day, but never actually improve because they refuse to apply anything. Don't become one of them. Pick one hobby from this video and start today. And before you leave, comment the hobby you're choosing first. I actually want to see who's serious and who's just scrolling again after this video. And if this video helped you even a little, subscribe to Unbreakable Mind, because this channel is for people who are done wasting their potential.